Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to AppFlame, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that you have to accept the terms and conditions. After that, you can sign up with Facebook or with Google or register with any email address. I think the easiest way to sign in with your Google account. Alright, so I've just selected my email address, and after that, for suggesting matching app, you have to give your age and your gender. Let's say 30, gender female, got it? And you have to grant AppFlame access to your usage data in order for them to detect your playtime so that you can collect coins. Click on the grant, turn on this option, and then go back, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.